Barangay Ginebra. Interesado kay Blackwater bossing bigman Troy Rosario, who will become an unrestricted free agent after the PBA Governors Cup. In addition to his current team, San Miguel and TNT are also eyeing for his services. With Blackwater now eliminated, Troy Rosario is officially an unrestricted free agent. Target ng Ginebra si Troy Rosario dahil injured si Isaac Go na backup center nila. Pero mukhang interesado ulit ang TNTN ibalik siya at bigyan ng mataas na offer. San Miguel Beermen is also waiting for Troy Rosario to become an unrestricted free agent and make him an offer, para maging katuwang ni Fajardo. Pero sa isang post sa social media account ni Troy Rosario ay may caption siya. "You have to go through good times and bad times to get where you're trying to go," Troy said. At sa post niya ay may photo na kalaban nila ang Ginebra. Pahiwatig na ba ito? Na Ginebra ang kanyang pipiliin laruan next conference. Imagine this lineup of Ginebra when they get Troy Rosario, point guard Erge Abarrientos, shooting guard Scottie Thompson, small forward Justin Brownlee, power forward Jepet Aguilar, center Troy Rosario. Kung pipiliin man ni Troy ang Ginebra, sa susunod na conference pa siya pwedeng maglaro para sa Ginebra.